So now let's talk about how to replace the rear strut in 2004 F150. That's the Lariat model all-wheel drive. It's very easy and simple because the truck is high. We don't have to jack it, so that will make it easy to remove the old one and install the new one. It's only 2 bolt and screws. Here's your first one. That's a 50mm with 18mm bolt from the back here, you guys can see, and the other one is under here. That's a 50mm and 18mm here. We got that one loose, and we're gonna get the top one loose. Okay, we're just loosening the top one, then we're gonna remove the one down here completely. We have the new one here. You keep it with a tie like this first, then start with a top bolt, then after you just tighten a little bit, you're gonna cut the tie and let it expand till it reach to the lower port. Then at that point you can put the lower bolt and nut. Let's go and do it. So once you cut the tie, that is gonna expand slowly, so you can move it and get ready with your bolt. Once it get like aligned here, try to put the bolt in before it get beyond that point. And we'll talk later to you again. As we said, the torque stick, don't forget to remove that tie from around the shock, and that will be it. Easy, and we got the job done.